rotten, stale, sour, rancid. What's the difference? Let's learn the right word for each food.
The lettuce has wilted. The celery is limp. The cucumber is shriveled. The avocado has browned.
The potato has sprouted.
The butter has gone rancid. The lemon has dried out.
The banana is overripe. The grapes have fermented.
The tomato is mushy.
The cookies are stale. The bread is moldy.
The egg is rotten. The chicken is spoiled. The toast is burnt.
The apple is rotten. The spinach has wilted.
The milk has gone sour.
The juice has expired.